Namaste children, I hope you all are fine.
I am going to explain about how to find rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. See, this is the fourth sum from exercise 1.2. The question is, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Here the two rational numbers are given. In between these two rational numbers, how many we have to find? 10 rational numbers. To find that, we should bring first the denominator as same. Here different denominators are there, so we should bring same denominator. Then we can find the required rational numbers. Here the first rational number is minus 2 by 5 and the second rational number is 1 by 2. Here the denominator value is 5, here the denominator value is 2. So we should convert into same denominator. For that we should take LCM. So LCM of 5 and 2 is nothing but 5 into 2 is equal to 10. This is the LCM value for the denominators 5 and 2. Now take the first rational number. Here we have to bring the denominator as 10. To bring denominator as 10, we should multiply by 2. So numerator also we should multiply by 2. Then only it will be equivalent. So minus 2 into 2 minus 4. And the second rational number is 1 by 2. Here we have denominator as 10. To bring it as 10, we should multiply by 5. So numerator also we should multiply by 5. So 1 into 5, 5. Now the first rational number becomes minus 4 by 10 and the second rational number becomes 5 by 10. Now I have brought the denominator as same. Now in between these two we can write the required rational numbers. Minus 4 by 10. Minus 4 by 10. Then what can we write? Minus 3 by 10. Then minus 2 by 10. Minus 1 by 10. Then 0 by 10. Then 1 by 10. 2 by 10. 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. So in between minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10, we have these required rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But how many we have to find? 10 we have to find. But here I have got only 8. So to get two more rational numbers, again you have to multiply both the rational numbers by same number. Then only we will get more rational numbers. I hope you understood. Here after converting to same denominator, I can write only 8 rational numbers between minus 4 by 10, 5 by 10. But I need what? 10 rational numbers. So to get more rational numbers, you just multiply both the rational numbers by same number. Then we will get more rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Here the minus 4 by 10 I am going to multiply by 2. So if I multiply by 2, it will become as minus 8 by 20. Then this 5 by 10 I am going to multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Here what number you have taken, the same number only you should take. Then only we will get the same denominator. If you take some other number, you will not get same denominator, you will get different denominator. Then again you should take LCM. So don't do like this. To get same number, just take the same number. Now I have here minus 8 and here 10 by 20. So in between these two I can write 10 rational numbers. One is minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20. Yes, we can write 10 rational numbers between these two. And I can write more than 10 also between these two. So now I am going to write the 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. This minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 only I brought like this after converting into same denominator. So in between these 10 rational numbers will be equivalent to in between these two rational numbers only. So I have found 10 rational numbers between these two. This is the answer for this also. So here minus 7 by 20, minus 6 by 20, minus 5 by 20, minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20. These are all the required rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20, or what can you say, minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. I hope you understood. We can write more rational numbers also. 3 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20, 6 by 20, 7 by 20, 8 by 20 and 9 by 20 also we can write. But here in the question they have asked only 10. So I have stopped up to this. I hope you understood how we have to find. So first I converted into same denominator. Then after converting into same denominator, I have written the rational numbers, but I got only 8. But I need what? 10 rational numbers. So that again I have found equivalent rational numbers. So I multiplied both the rational numbers by same number. Then I got minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. So in between these two rational numbers, I have written the enough rational numbers. This is the required rational numbers between minus 8 by 20 and 10 by 20. So I hope you understood this. With the same model, I will give you more sums. Just practice the sums. Thank you, children.